In this video, I want to talk about how you can see buy and sell volume inside of TradingView. So I'll quickly go through a few different methods. And the first one is simply by adding the normal volume one. And from in here, you will be able to see when you should buy and when you should sell. Of course, this is not going to be accurate all the time. Otherwise, everyone would be using it. But if you can see there's a big red line, it means it's maybe a good idea to sell. And that is basically how it works, guys. Now, keep in mind, this will only show you the volume. And if you head over here, you can actually add a buy and sell community one. So you can search for buy and sell, and there will be different buy and sell ones. But like I said before, of course, they're not going to be 100% accurate. Otherwise, everyone would be using them. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.